This lesson is 5.3. We're talking about unit price, and we're on page 5 in your notes packet. So we're going to go start here. Unit price is just a rate with money. So when you're doing a rate problem, remember rate is just a division problem, and you're going to be doing money. So a little hint for you, the money is always going to come first. So when we set up our division problem, the money would go on top, and then the item would go down here on the bottom. When you're rounding, this is the biggest piece. Remember that you will need two numbers after the decimal point to show this for money. On money, the dollar sign always comes before the number as well. So we'll need to put the dollar sign out front. So we're going to start off with this one. The unit price, if it costs $2 for 8 juice boxes. So we're going to put $2 on the top, and that gets us 8 boxes. I'm just going to put boxes for juice boxes. So if we do 2 divided by 8, we get 0.25. So that rounding is nice. We need a dollar sign out in front of our number, so 25 cents per juice box. Number 2, find the unit price if a 4-pack of fruit snacks sells for $2.12. Money goes on the top, so $2.12, and that's a 4-pack of fruit snacks. So we're going to do 212 divided by 4, and I get 0.53, which rounds nicely for me. It doesn't have to just terminates there. Put my dollar sign out front and put per pack. In question number 3, the prices of 3 different bags of dog food are given in the table. What size bag has the lowest price per pound? So we're going to be doing dollars divided by the pounds. We're going to be kind of going backwards here. So this first one, I'm going to be doing 49 divided by 40. And 49 divided by 40 on my calculator, I get 1.225. So 1.2, and then that 2 is actually going to round up due to the fact that there's a 5 after it. So $1.23 per pound. For the next one, we have $23.44. Gets us 20 pounds of dog food. So 23.44 divided by 20 gives me 1.172. So 1.1, the 7 will stay a 7 because that 2 afterward will let me round down. So we get $1.17 per pound. The last one here, we're going to do 9.88 divided by 8 pounds. And 9.88 divided by 8 is going to give me $1.20. And I see it 1.235. So that 3 is actually going to round up to a 4 due to the fact that it's followed by a 5. And that would cause us to round up. So it's $1.24 per pound. So going back to the question, now that we've done all the math, what size bag has the lowest price per pound? So looking at these costs, the lowest price would be right here. So it's the 20-pound bag is the lowest. For the last example, Mr. Grabner really likes to snack on coconut clusters. They're like this little snack thingy. They're kind of like coconut and honey and a couple other things in it. And Target sells them a 6-ounce package for $5.99. Costco also carries a 16-ounce bag for $10.59. So where should Mrs. Grabner, where should I buy these to get the better price? So if we're looking at Target, we're going to do $5.99 divided by a 6-ounce bag. And 5.99 divided by 6, I'm going to get 0.998. So basically that is going to end up rounding up to $1 per ounce from Target. For Costco, it's $10.59, and that's going to get me a 16-ounce bag. So I'm going to do 10.59 divided by 16, and I get 0.661. So 0.66 cents per ounce from Costco. So comparing the two prices, I should buy at Costco because it's going to be cheaper. And especially if he likes to eat lots of these, got to save the money there. All right, that's it then for unit rates. Just remember that the money always goes up on the top and it comes first in your division problem.